Looks like a rare bird of some sort. It's really big here. Okay, that's it. Well, I know these spotted doves are rare, but it's weird. Or it's I'm lucky to caught another one. Okay, now there's two of them, and that's the zebra dove which I caught for more than a month ago. Okay, its head seems to be injured. Like hair loss, got a hair loss. Okay, that's two of them now, and this one seems smaller. Don't know if it's a female or male. Okay, that's it. Okay, I could see there I got another bird. I think it's the dove. It's the bird again. Okay, this is the spotted dove, or in Tagalog it's called tukmo. Then the dove in Tagalog is batobato. Okay, so let me think if I should put it in with his partner here. So I got two of them, and this is the third one. Their feathers are losing, the back feather, because I think it's of the cage. It's small. Okay. And that's three of them. So it's been 2 weeks had passed, and I caught another. I thought this is a little rare. Well, that's it. Well, okay, so I found this in the storage, and what I did was, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer the birds from there to here, and the new one which I caught, because it's already not much space there. And what I did here was I removed the tray, then I put the screen here. I installed the screen, so the poop of the birds gonna go straight to the soil. Okay, so gonna transfer this to there. Okay, here we have it. Position first. Hold down. put the bird inside. Put this for them to step on. So we're gonna put this, which I just caught it a while ago, to his new home. Okay, let's start with it. Here you have it, his new home. She's a lot larger than the old other one. Then I'm gonna transfer those others to here too. Okay, we're done.